Infographics. Infographics are sort of the soup of the day right now. This is a website called PictoChart, and this is my favorite website for creating infographics. It's really easy. All you do is click Start for Free, and then basically you create a free account. And then once you're logged in, it's going to give you a number of different templates that you can use. So you can choose between an infographic, report, banner, or presentation. We're going to do an infographic here. And down at the bottom, you're going to see all their templates. So you can scroll through and figure out which one you like the best, figure out which one is most appropriate for whatever it is that you want to get backlinks from, whatever your niche is, whatever your business is related to. So let's go ahead and choose one, and all you do is hover over it, click Create, and you just click on it, and then it allows you to change anything you want. So if you click on something, you can change the font, you can change the words, the lettering, the size, pretty much anything. And then once you're finished, you can publish it either on PictoChart or on several other sites. I'm actually going to take you through a couple of other different sites, not really examples, but just show you what's available. You can also download it and then upload it to whatever site you want. This is visual.ly. That's an easy sign up. This is easel.ly. I'm also going to talk a little bit about images in a second, but before I do that, I have this for you in the resources, and this is basically 20 free programs you can use to create infographics. I'm going to show you a chart at the end of this that shows you just how popular infographics are. Of course, you can upload them to Pinterest, regardless of whether you have a female demographic. Pinterest has quite a few infographics on there already, and is slowly moving up in importance in terms of SEO. And here's Scribd. You can upload slideshows to this, so if you wanted to include your infographic with the slideshow, all you do is click Upload, and then you'd upload. Here's slideshare.net. This might be even more popular than Scribd now. Same type of process. And I mentioned I was going to talk about images. Flickr.com gives you 1 terabyte of space. 1 terabyte. That's like 1,024 gigabytes. Terabyte. 1 terabyte. And then this is a post put together by bootstrapbay.com. And these are sites for free stock photos, because images, in addition to infographics, also get shared more than other types of posts. I said I wanted to show you a chart about the types of content that gets shared the most, and this is from a study on 100 million articles by BuzzSumo over about an 8 or 9 month period. And they found that infographics, at least in mid-2014, were the most shared type of content, which is why it's really important to start using infographics within your articles on your website and then posting them on all the sites that I've mentioned. You'll also want to do it because, as I mentioned in the website analysis section, image count is increasingly important within the search rankings. So in 2014, the number of images on the top 10 or top 30 websites within the study had about 7 images per article. So in a 1,000 word article, you're looking at 7 images. And in 2015, that word count for the top 10 results within the search rankings is probably going to go up to 1,500 to 1,800 words. It's been increasing basically every year since the study began, and Google is continuing to look for more content, better content, and if you put in the effort to write these 1,500, 2,000 word articles, Google's going to reward you. Honestly, they're kind of turning everybody into politicians, where people are just saying stuff without really saying anything at all, just to improve their rankings and add words in, but you got to play the game. So I imagine that in 2015, if the word count for the top 10 results goes up to, say, I don't know, 1,600 words, that the image count will obviously rise right along with it. So you're probably looking at, say, 9 or 10 images for a 1,500 word article. So definitely consider using images and infographics within your articles, and they're very easy to create with the websites that I've shown you. So don't feel like, if you don't have the tech savviness, that you won't be able to do infographics. Anybody can do an infographic right now, and they're really important for SEO in 2015 and beyond.